South Dakota is an excellent place to form a new LLC. Not only does it have some of the lowest tax burdens in the nation, but it also boasts the #1 lowest business cost in the U.S. Every state has slightly different requirements for forming an LLC. Follow along closely to learn the required steps for creating your own limited liability company in the state of South Dakota. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can go on and start an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow along easily. Before we head over to the video, if you go ahead and use our affiliate link to create your LLC with Northwest, you'll be able to save 83% and pay just around $39 for the LLC formation. So, go ahead and make sure you check out the affiliate link in the description box below. Now, we can now open up the official website. Inside, you'll be prompted to the main official menu. You'll be able to see different options right here: get registered agent, get a domain and website, and most importantly we are here for the third option, which is start an LLC, so go ahead and click this option. Then, you'll see this page where you can select your state. We're going to select South Dakota LLC. After that, we'll be prompted to a menu right here. You have your business name, and there are also additional instructions on how to start an LLC in South Dakota. If you scroll down, there are many more guides. You'll see guides on naming your LLC and descriptions on how to do this. Scrolling further down, you'll see the second option, which is appoint a South Dakota registered agent. The third option is file South Dakota certificate of formation. The fourth is get state of South Dakota business license, and more. You can keep reading this if you want, but once you've scrolled all the way down, I'll now continue showing the LLC formation process. Since this is a DIY process, you can create your own free account by this process while creating your own LLC. Now, in this section, type your business name here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and type Best Jeans. And since you're creating an LLC, so click on LLC option. I'm then going to go ahead and click Next. Here, for your business purpose, you can type your own, but usually, you can click on EU's generic business purpose, and click on Next. In this section, you'll need to select Principal Address. The principal address is the main office from which a company primarily operates. Many people put their registered agent address here to keep their real address off the public record. To learn more, you can click on the icon. Here you can put your business address, or simply you can use Northwest's provided business address for your own privacy protection. Next, for the mailing address section, it is recommended to use Northwest's provided business address to keep your real address off the public record. Now, for the commercial registered agent accepts the service of process and legal documents. I highly recommend using their registered agent service, which comes with all the perks like free limited mail forwarding, lifetime customer support, data privacy, and more. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the option and click on Next. Now, an organizer is a person who is authorized to submit the paperwork for filing the registration. Since Northwest Formation Service includes 1 year of registered agent service, why not use their? I'll now select the submit process. Next, in this section, we'll need to create a free account. Just simply provide your name, email, and password to get started. I will provide some random information in here just to show you guys how it's done. After that, your account will be created and you can see your Northwest dashboard here. Now, you've come to your Northwest dashboard here. Just answer this question whether your business is member managed or manager managed. If you don't have a manager to make all your business decisions for you, just simply select on member managed option and click on continue. In this section, you'll provide your information since you're the member of your business. And, to keep your address confidential, simply use our address, as it may become public. Now, you can see your registration process has been started. It's time to check availability of your business name. Great! The name I used is available in the state of South Dakota. Now if you click the Continue button, you can see all the information that has been filed by Northwest Registered Agent. Looks really good to me. So I'll click on that. Now, to make the business filling process faster, you can simply upgrade the plan. But it will cost you $99. Since I don't need the upgrade plan, I'll click on Next. Now, for your online business, Northwest provides a 90-day free trial offer including services like a free domain, pre-built website, business phone number, and more. I don't need those currently. So I'm going to the next option. Now, here are some important items you can select and they will be added to your order. I'm selecting the BOI report, EN tax ID, phone service, and the premium operating agreement. You can remove the items in the billing section if you don't need. Here is the order summary. You can see the total payment and just like all the others, it comes with the state fee as well. Northwest charges a $39 business formation fee, but it includes a 1-year free registered agent, which worth $199 and a corporation formation fee of $100. So assuming you are happy with your current plan, you can go ahead and click proceed and then you'll need to fill out the payment information. So within a couple of minutes, we went through a process with Northwest registered agent and have successfully created our own LLC. So if you have to choose between creating an LLC on your terms or creating an LLC with Northwest, I do believe it is a no-brainer to go with Northwest considering how much they offer for such a great price as well as they do all the work for you without you needing to do much at all. Simply fill out a survey, choose the plan, and there you go, you have an LLC. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.